Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Look at this beautiful, pristine 2005 Toyota Tundra SR5. This one is its immaculate shape. You saw this one in some past videos, and today we have the headlights. The fall came and winter's coming, and the owner had enough of buffing out these fading headlights. She said she tried in the past, or she paid for it many times. This time also, she said one of the headlights or bulbs burned, and she took it as a sign of time to pay for the new ones. So I'm replacing it for her. You start with removing this stop fastener, which is right here, and you then slide this forward towards to the camera or in front of the vehicle, this way out, and then you get access to these bolts, 10 millimeters, 10 millimeter, very easy. It's easy to hook up on the back. The new assembly comes with new bulbs. You don't have to deal with that, and the prices are approximately, with the warranty from my supplier, they are approximately $150 each. You can see the item numbers here. This is how it came to me, $150 each. I'm sure you can find it somewhere. eBay. I didn't have much notice to order it elsewhere, so I called the Toyota dealer. I will give you prices. The Toyota dealer, without the bulbs, each assembly approximately $260, I believe. And if you buy it complete with wires, bulbs and so on, it's like $320 for one, so that's definitely pricey. Obviously this owner decided to go with the cheaper version, aftermarket. Interestingly enough, both versions have 1 year warranty. Anything happen after that, it's your problem. This is the reverse. So here is a clip right here on that side, and you are guiding this. Yep, and I'm going backwards, right? It's going this way. It should click, which you heard. It's perfectly, the gap is perfect here. And all I need to bring is that little screw, the fastener. And basically, that's it. The thread is damaged, it's plastic, so I just squeeze it in. Otherwise you will screw it in, but it's made of plastic. So here you can see actually the whole part installed. Absolute ginormous improvement. And we will see how that new lens, how long time it will last in comparison with this one. So there is always option for all of us. If you want to try that lens restoration kit to buff it out, it might work once or twice, then you might get tired of it and just simply replace it. So I wanted to show you what are all of our options when the winter is coming and the driving conditions will be harder. We will be driving, all of us, in the dark, in the rain, and it's really important to have a good headlamp lens, because the difference is ginormous. Any of you, I'm sure, if you ever buffed yours and then the next day or that same day in the evening you drove with the buffed outs, you couldn't believe how much light you finally was using. So this is what will happen to her. tonight she will be driving, she'll be like, oh my god, I can finally see. And here we can see the final results together. I will say worth every penny. The fact she will be driving safely, will be able to see perfectly. So that was just a quick video from my shop for you. She's coming back, so I don't have a time to film and take my time to show you every single step. I gotta do this one in the time manner, so sorry for that. But I wanted to show you the difference. I think in this case it's worth it to invest in the new headlamp lenses. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.